Hello friends, today we will learn what is user defined function, that is called UDF in C language. What is user defined function? Its definition is, it is very simple. It is collection of statements that perform particular task. Number of statements, they are grouped together and that perform particular task. That group of statement is called the user defined function that will be created by user or programmer. It has mainly three parts. One is called the function declaration, another is the function call, and the third one is function definition. Let's try to understand all these topics with the examples. Write a C program to demonstrate user-defined function. Let's build a simple program that actually demonstrates how user-defined function is working. First of all, in C language, we need to include conio.h. Here is the function declaration. I am leaving the space for the function declaration and I am writing a void main function. A very simple printf statement here. Printf hello. Now I want to call a user defined function whose name is printmsg. Here, remember our function name is printmsg. It should be a single word. There is no space allowed between the function name, and this statement will be a function call. What is function call? Let's understand that. When program's execution will reach here, it will jump to that function and performs that body and then return after that, finishing that body. Here I have written printf good, and my void main is over. Now we need to write down the user defined functions definition. What is definition? Definition means user defined functions body. How we can write that? First of all, we have to write void. Our function name is printmsg. Printmsg. Now here we can write down the body of our function. Here I am writing a simple statement. Again, it is a printf and it is well done. And my user defined function is over. And I am finishing the program with getch. Void main is over. Here we need to write this line as function declaration before the void main. So we will write void, void, function name is printmsg, printmsg. Okay, now this program is over. What will be output of this program? Okay, always remember that functions execution will start from void main itself. So our first line will print hello. Okay, once hello is printed, our program's execution will reach here. From here, it will call function printmsg. So program's execution will jump to printmsg and it will execute complete body of printmsg. Here we have only one statement and that will print well done. Once program body is finished, it will jump back to the calling function and from where program's execution will go on. Here our program will print good and our program is over. This is called function declaration, this is called function call, and this is with the body, it is called function definition. Now let's change our program and find out what will be the output. Here I am writing one more statement in the function definition. Printf ABC. Now, what will be output of this program? Let's find out again the output. As I said, program's execution will start from main itself. So, first line will print hello. Then function's execution will jump from here. It will execute complete body. So, well done. Then ABC. Then body is finished, it will come back to the calling function, and from where program's execution will go on. So here now we will get good and our program is over. Here there is a question like, can we use or can we call our user defined function more than one time from the main? Yes, we can call our user defined function many times as we like. Let's make changes in our program and find out what will be the output. I wrote down one more statement. I am going to write one more time calling statement in void main function. Suppose I have write here print msg, that is my function call again, and then I have write a simple printf statement saying good night. Now let's see what will be the output of our program. As I said, our program's execution will start from void main itself. So first line will print hello. After hello, we have used function call. So from here, program's execution will jump to our user defined function and it will print well done. Then ABC. Once body is over, it will jump back to the calling function and from where program's execution will go on. So here it will print now good. After the good, again we have used function call. So from here it will jump back to the user defined function and it will print well done again. And then ABC. Once whole body of the function is finished, then and only then program's execution will go back to the calling place. From here our program's execution will go ahead. So we will get good night. And from where our program's execution is finished. Again, remember function declaration, function call, function definition. Function declaration always finish with semicolon. Function call, we can call user defined function as many times we like. And user defined function is here. Thank you. Hello friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon so I can give you more and more updated videos. Thank you very much.